Prevention is always better than about
Freeway. Okay, we just talked to the lady at Freeway. Lingerie. Very air, not just flexible, but it's all the same. Maybe by 4:30.
And down. So there you go. That's our first ensemble. Okay, so our next model, the footwear is courtesy of the muffin. That way you get more notice. Okay, this is our second ensemble. It's very pretty. I like it very much. And you see, she's still wearing this. So there. And don't be afraid to wear this. Our next model. Thank you. Any questions? Here's our last ensemble. So, di ba? Ganda ng blouse. I like this blouse very much. So, very feminine, di ba? So, in this outfit, you can also wear fur so much. And that's our last ensemble for that particular blouse. Okay, here. So, may dito nyo, may mga bits and pieces of bohemian. Pero she's sporty, parang sporty look siya. Then it's still the shorts. Diba? Hindi ka naglalabas, they wear shorts ulit. Or this bolero, or this vest. It's very,